Over the last few weeks, you've seen a journey of resurrection of one of the most beautiful motoring icons of all time, the MG Midget. Amal Tanna's prized possession, this 1979 Midget was worse for wear and desperately needed a new lease of life. In came classic car restorer Marispan Dadachandji, who, in a collaborative and typically meticulous manner, set about restoring the Midget to its former glory. The road to revival wasn't without its challenges, with the pandemic creating logistical hurdles, but the MG community knows no borders and help poured in from as far as the United Kingdom, MG's home soil, to help restore Amal's Midget to perfection. And no, unlike how most big plans work out, this one had no detours. Amal wanted his Midget to be red and beautiful, and that was the only way it was going to be. And finally, it was the moment of truth, the big reveal. But at Autocar India, we always go that extra mile, and so Amal's reunion with his Midget was made that little extra special. Our very own classic car enthusiast Perseus Bandrawala took the lead in making this very important day a truly memorable one. Wow, can you believe it turned out that good? No, we can't either. Looking at it in all its shining glory, with its gentle curves and perfect proportions, it's no wonder the MG Midget is known as the quintessential British sports car. And no, we're not the only ones who think so. After a quick word of congratulations from Gaurav Gupta, Chief Commercial Officer, MG Motor India, here's what some of the proud MG owners who came together to make this day unforgettable had to say.
This is my 1951 MG TD. It's one of just a handful in India. It's been with our family since probably 1962 when my dad first acquired it. It's an absolute, great fun car to drive. It's a roadster, really nice, tight handling. It draws a lot of eyeballs when it's on the road, and it's a really blast to drive.
We always had a dream to have one MG, and we had an opportunity to have this in the year 2007. It was like a dream come true. Being an owner of MG is itself a privilege.
I'm looking after this MG Midget. It's a 1964. It's an absolute joy and delight to drive. I'm very grateful that MG has finally come to India, and I hope that they do something to help the classic car movement.
I got this car through my uncle, and I really enjoy driving it. It's a MG TC. It's super fun to drive, and I enjoy driving it a lot.
I own this 1965 MGB, and I've been having it for last 20 years. It's a fabulous car, doing fantastic runs, and we very often use it to Lonavala when it's not raining, of course.
This is one of the most cutest car that we own, and I love driving it.
Put a smile on your face, didn't it? And in the same way, this charming troupe of classic MGs put a smile on a million faces as they drove around the city in a fabulous parade, showcasing the joys of pure motoring while winding the clock back. The revival? Oh, it's been more, much more than just that.